Welcome back to another episode of Simple Vegan Recipes. I have been away for a while and I am back for more simple vegan recipes. And I'm gonna do a vegan lemon loaf. And for that recipe, you will need cane sugar, unbleached flour, or you can use gluten-free flour, vegan butter, almond meal, baking soda, baking powder, unsweetened almond milk, the zest of 2 organic lemons, and fresh lemon juice. For the lemon soak, you will need lemon juice and cane sugar. So we do have all our ingredients measured as the recipe calls for. Let's go ahead and take our 1 cup of sugar and our 3/4 cup of vegan butter, and we're gonna mix those two until they're light and fluffy. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we've added the other ingredients and we're gonna mix that. So the mixing is going on and we're gonna right now preheat our oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna place this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes. Meanwhile this is going on, I'm gonna work on the lemon soak. So let's do this. For the lemon soak, you will need 2 tablespoons of cane sugar and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You wanna mix those two until the sugar melts. Okay, looks great. It is done. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna poke some holes in there with a wooden skewer, and then we're gonna add the lemon soak over it. Voila, we're done. Like I always encourage you guys to give my simple vegan recipes a try and subscribe to my channel for more simple vegan recipes. I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.